Hello and welcome. My name is Robyn and this is my channel. I'm going to start out by telling you where I have been. Back in November before Thanksgiving, I had come down with a really bad case of kidney stones, and then it turned into bad pneumonia. And so I've been in and out of the hospital with a really bad case of pneumonia. And after they did all sorts of testing to see what type of pneumonia I had, I actually ended up with valley fever. And valley fever is a spore that is out in the desert. It's out in New Mexico, Arizona, Washington, and once it gets into your lungs, it affects your liver and your lungs. It has like flu-like symptoms. It causes the chills. You get a bad cough. It's hard to breathe. So if you want to check it out, you just Google valley fever and it's got all the dirty deets about valley fever. Excuse me. So it's just been kicking my butt. Obviously, I only go out to see the doctor, so I have just been so under the weather. I've got boxes upon boxes, but it's just really hard for me to film. So I did go to the doctor today. I still have pneumonia. Now, valley fever is not contagious. So it's just like a fungal mold infection inside your chest area. So it doesn't sound very pleasant, and trust me, it is not. So I want to thank everybody who sent me well wishes and prayers because I'm pretty much stuck inside on the couch or in bed. I've been trying to watch as many videos as my fellow YouTubers as I can, but I just wanted to thank you all for your cards and your prayers. So thanks again. And so I don't know how often I'll be able to film because it's really tough for me, but I just wanted to let you know that I'm back. And today I am going to film my box by Fashionsta. So I'm not sure if this is the December box or if it's the January box. So let's get into it. And I know this is just a tough time. I've read a lot of other YouTuber stories and people are just going through some tough times overall. So my heart goes out to all of you. They have given me some like super strong antibiotics to take. And I have to say, my man Dennis, he has just been spot on. Yesterday was my birthday, and he went and he picked up Chicago-style pizza for me. So I did have a taste of Chicago for dinner. So that was really nice. And the first thing is the card, and it says, can't read it. It says holiday gratitude. So I'm thinking this is probably the December box. I don't know, I keep kind of going in and out here. And this box, it's a monthly subscription, and I was grandfathered in. I want to say it was like $19 a box. And I think now it's $24, which is not a bad price for a subscription box. It's mostly skincare, which I like. And it's got all the little trail mix, so everybody knows when I film around here. And the first thing I see is Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask. Red Seaweed Fruit Enzymes Earth Harbor. And I keep telling the girls that I am going to join them for Mask Monday. And one of these days, I'm just gonna pop up and join. As soon as I get enough energy to be able to film long enough, I will join. Ooh, now isn't that a pretty color? So I do like that. I'm not gonna open it because I don't wanna let anything out, but I think if I'm gonna do a Mask Monday, I'm gonna start out with that. So the Earth Harbor Glow Juice Refining Enzyme Mask retails for $40. So again, I paid $19 for the box. The second item is New Moisture Intense Mask. Oh, is it another mask? Numa Mask Intense. Look at the size of that. That is huge. And Numa Beauty New Moisture Intense Mask, $36. Rehydrate Thirsty, oh, it's for your hair. It rehydrates thirsty hair with an extra dose of moisture. New Moisture Intensive Weekly Hydrating Mask seals in moisture while enhancing overall condition strength and managing vegan cruelty-free. So you can't be mad at a hair mask. It's going to be a while before I can go get my hair done or my nails done. So definitely pleased to get that. The next thing is a Himalayan body polish by Makayla. Oh, another pretty color. Kind of different. And to use, scoop out with dry and clean hands or spatula and massage on the skin and rinse with warm water. So something that you can use in the shower. So I do use these kind of coffee scrubs in the shower. So that is really nice. And this is $15. And that's $15, so happy to get that. I don't know why I keep going in and out here. Then we got the Youngblood Mineral Cosmetics Color Craze Matte Lip Crayon. And it's kind of a red. So I don't know how that's gonna go. But I do like these lip crayons. They normally go on very smooth. And the lip crayon is $19. Oh. And a Sunday brunch, and it looks like a palette. So far this is looking like a good box. I hope you guys are all doing okay. I hope you had a great New Year's. And I hope the start of your New Year's is going good. Okay, now I can't get into it. I thought I brought my scissors over here, but I guess I didn't. I ordered some new boxes, not realizing that I might not have the chance to open them, but I'll slowly get there. This palette looks fun. This is the same. Wow. It's got a mirror. And I'm kind of liking the colors. What do you think? See if you can. Oh, there goes the cover. These are kind of a nice, I don't know if I want to swatch them. I kind of like the greens and the pinkies there. So yeah. Let me know what you think of those colors. So we got, how much is this? The Youngblood BY Sunday Brunch palette is $20. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items. And I think, is there a 6th item? Let me check. Oh, there's a 6th item. The 6th item, it's the matte Stick oil absorbing blotting paper. And of course, this is going to be a challenge for me because I am so challenged when it comes to opening boxes. So it comes like this, and I know there's a way you open it and then you unroll it. So we got the blotting paper, and that retails for $12. So I paid $19 for this box, and it retails for $142. So what did you think of this box overall? I enjoy getting this box. As I said, it's mostly skincare. They throw in some beauty. They usually throw in a lippy or a palette, but the masks, I am definitely going to try to get in on this Mask Monday with the group and try this mask. The hair mask is huge, so being that I won't be able to get my hair done for a while, I'm definitely going to try that hair mask. And I really kind of like the palette, so I might just try playing with it since I have nowhere to go. And I'm sorry I've been out of commission. If you have any questions about, you know, Valley Fever, you can check it out online. It's just kind of a one-off, weird kind of disease. Again, not contagious. But I still do have my pneumonia, and I have to go see a pulmonologist for the Valley Fever, and they say it takes about 6 months to really get out of your system. So thank you all for watching, and again, thank you so much for asking about me and my health, and you guys have an awesome day.